Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn about that how to calculate age using Microsoft Excel. Using Microsoft Excel and using this function, DatedIF function. Earlier we have used YearFrac function to calculate the employee age or the student age. Okay, so today we are going to learn that how to calculate DatedIF function. Okay, let's start. We are having the employee's name over here in this column D. In column E we are having the date of birth of the employees, and here is the current date. So first of all, you need to set the format of this cell. Make sure it is selected general, no specific format, and after that you need to do what? Just put is equal to sign and write DatedIF, and then here you have to select, just click here the start date, DOB, date of birth of employee, select it, press comma as a separator. Now here you have to call today function, double click it, it will return the current date formatted as date. Close this, shift 0 and ending round bracket, and after that put again comma separator. Now within double quotation you have to write what? Year. Here just mention Y, so that your age will appear in year. Now close this function and now press enter. Calculated 37 year, 39 year, 42 years, and then Rana Ibrar. Here is what it is format as date. The formatting of this cell is what? It's date. Okay, here is the formatting of this date. First month will appear, then date, and then year. Okay, now let's calculate months. Using the same function, we need to calculate how many months are there in 37 years. Using DatedIF function, again select the first date, date of birth, start date, comma today's function, done. And after that again use separator, comma as a separator, and now here within double quotation type month M, and now close the bracket, shift ending bracket. Now press enter to run this function, and now you can see clearly over here in 37 years is equal to how many months? 447. Now I'm going to calculate number of days. Again use the same function, DatedIF, select the start date, put comma as a separator, and then today's function, which will return today's date, and today is what? 25th Feb 2022. And now in the formula bar I'm going to put a separator here. Now what we want here? Number of days. Just type D here and close this bracket. Now press enter, and till today, starting from 1984 till today, 25th Feb, 37-year-old, 447 months, and number of days are what? 13,616. That's how you can calculate DatedIF. That's how you can calculate the age of the employees or the student from the starting day till today using DatedIF function. Thank you very much. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel, and please write comment. Thank you very much. Have a good day.